garage door you see here is the power backup room, and I'm gonna have to go in through the garage door because the man door on the other side, we are using it now temporarily for storage. We had to paint those garage floors and we had a lot of stuff we had to haul out. But there's the generator, and again, it comes on automatic. It comes on every Friday, runs for about a half an hour, just kind of goes through a test cycle to make sure everything's working. And then these are the this is the transfer switch. So this automatically throws that big arm right there when there's a power outage, and it does it so fast you don't even hardly notice. So I don't know how it does that. Somehow it senses the power going out. And so again, this is the main power room. The entire everything is fed from here. Even though the transformer that we brought in, the 600 amp that we brought off the pole, that's over by the cottage, but yet we come directly over here and then backfeed to the cottage. And then those boxes there are part of the kind of distribution system to do with phones and Ethernet and all of that stuff. Another thing we did was refinish the tennis court. We changed the color to a darker green and this blue using the same surface materials that I guess they're using in the US Open and the Australian Open. I guess it's kind of the in paint and as well as colors. So that's been completely redone. We did add a basketball lines, and there is a really nice basketball hoop. We've got it poured in the plate, and then that box over there is the basketball hoop itself, and it still needs to be built up. Well, it's a big project made up of a lot of small projects and even some big projects like repainting. It's a lot of fun. I'm enjoying getting this back up, being the builder, and getting to sort of put it back to new condition is a lot of fun. And as you know from my previous videos, this is my last client project, and so I'm really enjoying it. Hey, if you like these videos, be sure to give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, most important, share the channel with others. Thanks for taking the time to watch. Have a great day.